Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Here I am gonna teach a Keerthanam today. This will be in the raga Shudha Dhanyasi. Don't think like it is Shudha Sanyasi, it's Shudha Dhanyasi. Okay. Okay, so let's discuss the raga lakshana of Shudha Dhanyasi. See, like I've said in my previous tutorials, here I teach this Shudha Dhanyasi as a derivative of 22nd Melagartha raga Khara Hara Priya. But you can say either other ragas also. But there won't be any change when we sing. Okay. Even it's a Jani raga of some other sing also. There won't be any change in the singing usages or the tune. No, much uses will not be there. Much changes will not be there. So yeah, let's begin the raga lakshana of Shudha Dhanyasi. Shudha Dhanyasi is the derivative of 22nd Melagartha raga Khara Hara Priya. When we check its Arohana and Avarohana, there are only 5 notes in the Arohana as well as the Avarohana, which means it's an Audava Raga. It's an Audava Raga. 2 notes are missing. Who are there? Rishabha and Daivada. Rishabha, Daivada, Varji Raga. It's an Upanga Raga. No accent notes are there. Then the Swarasthanas. Shadja, Sadharana Gandhara, Shuddha Madhyama, Panjama, Kaishi Nishada. Only 5 are there. Let's sing the Arohana and Avarohana. Let me teach you that first. Sa, ga, ma. Okay. Sa, plain. Gandhara is having a gamaga which starts from Shadja. Sa, ma, ga are the anuswaras of Gandhara. Sa, ga, ma, Madhyama, plain. Now it's plain. Pa, Panjama also plain. Ni, pa, sa, ni. Like that. Pa, sa, ni. Here I'm giving a gamaga. You can change if needed, no problem. So, sa, ga, ma, pa, ni. Then, sa, plain. No much you say there. In the Avarohana, sa, ni. Here I give a slide starting from Panjama to Shadja. That's Shadja's slide starting from Panjama. Pa, sa, then, ni. Nishad is having double slide. Sa, ni are the anuswaras. Ni, pa, ma, sa, pa, ma. I gave a gamaka for Madhyama. So kindly note, if possible, you can give a gamaka for Madhyama. No problem there. Sa, pa, ma. Then ga, ma, ga. That's a double slide. Or ni, pa, ma, ga. That's a combination step down. Ni, pa, ma, ga. Or ga, pa, ma, ga, sa. In any way you can sing this, okay? Many possibilities are there. But kindly note, as it's an Audava raga, complication is also really high. The Avarohana, sa, ri, pa, ma, ga, sa. This time I use ni, pa, ma, ga, sa, okay? The Arohana and Avarohana goes like this. Sa, ga, ma, pa, ni, sa. Sa, ni, pa, ma, ga, sa. This time I sang pa, ma, ga, sa. Okay. The usage will change. Alright, let's zoom into this lesson. This Keerthanam is having Pallavi, having 3 Sangadi, 2 extensions. Extension having 2 Sangadi. I said 2 extensions. Then Anupallavi and Charana. Alright, let's begin. Let me switch to C. I'll be more comfortable to teach you in C. Okay. Song starts like this. Himagiri Thanaye Hemalili. That's the first phrase. Himagiri sa sa ni pa. Double shadja. Give hammering down. Sa ni sa sa Himagiri giri sa ni pa giri. Thanaye, Thana, Mapa, Thanaye, Magama, Thanaye. Then, He, Pani, Pani. Actually, that's Pani, Pani only. He, Pani, Pani, He, Mala, Ni. Double nishada. Give hammering down. Ni, pani, mala, te. Te is start Janu usage. That's our Sangadi. Himagiri Thanaye He Let me sing that continuously. Himagiri Thanaye he malate amba. Amba is pasasa. Means pasa. Ba. Ba is hammering down. Pasa, nisa are the ansuras. Pasa, nisa, amba, like that. That's the first Sangati. Second sang, you should sing it twice. Then the second Sangati. Hima, sani, nikasa, giri, sani, pa, like in the previous Sangati. Giri Thanaye mapa maga magama Thanaye. Then there's a change. He pasani pani pa. You should be very careful when you sing all these quick usages, because I have heard people sing pasani dhani pa. Pasani dhani pa. That's wrong, because Daivada is used. You have said that earlier that Daivada, it's a Daivada, Rishabha Daivada Varjiraga. So how can you sing that? Pasani dhani pa. Hey. This is pasani pani pa. Hey. Only a minute difference is it. But if you sing, if you learn with this use only, this usages only, you will learn the perfect emotion of this Shudha Dhanyasi. Otherwise, it will be some mixture of some other rag. I don't know. Pasani pani pa he mala. Here it is not just nini. It is pani mala. Te is also shadja. No, like the previous Sangati, no much usage. So let me sing that in one stage. The second Sangati goes like this. Himagiri Thanaye he malate. Here starts the extension, the first extension. Amba Ishwari Sri Lalite. Amba Ishwari Sri Lalite. Okay, so it's Amba, like in the previous Sangati. Pasa Nisa Amba, then Ishwari Sani Gada, which is Saga Sani Saga Ishwari Sasa Shri Sani Saga Shri Lali Sanipa Lali Te Ma Ni Pa Ma Ga Ma Sa Mani Pa Ma Ga Ma Sa. Here Ma play Ni is Shudha having a slide from Madhyama. Mani are the anisuras. Ma Mani Pa Ma Ga. Gandhara is having a slide from Madhyama. Ma Ga Ga Ma. Madhyama is having a slide back from this Gandhara. Ga Ma. Ma Mani Pa Ma Ma Ga Ga Ma Sa. Shudha is having a slide from Gandhara. Ga Sa. Sorry. Ga Sa. Ma Sa Madhyama. Ma Sa Sa like that. Lot many anisuras I know. Ma Mani Pa Ma Ma Ga Ga Ma Ma Sa. Te then Ma Ma Va Ma Ma Ga Ma Pa, like in the Arohana. Samaga is Gandhara. Samaga Ma Ga Ma Pa Panchama plane. Ni Nishad is having a slide from Shadja. Sani are the anisuras. Ma Ma Va. Oh, it's a step down actually. Sani ting ting. Sani ni. Ma Ma Va, like that. Ma Ma Va. Slide is also possible, no problem. That's according to your wish, okay? So the extension, first extension goes like this, starting from Amba. Amba Ishwari Shri Lali. Just a minute. Shri. Oh, Shri Sanisa. Shri Sanisa Ka Ganisa. Next is Ganisa, not Sanisa. Shri Sanisa Ka Ganisa. Shri, like that. Let me sing that extension again. Amba Ishwari Shri Lali Then the third Sangadi, Himagiri Thanaye Hemala. The third Sangadi, Hima Gaga Sani. Let's sing the answer. Saga Saga Sani, Saga Saga Sani, Hima Giri Pani Sani Giri Tana Pani Pani Pama Tana E Gasa Gasa. Gandhara is having a slide from Madhya Magasa then Gasa Gama Yaga. That Gandhara is having a Gamaga like in the Aron Samaga or the Anisuras. Magasa Samaga Ma, those are the Anisuras. Then Hemalade, it's a bit advanced usage. He, like in the second Sangati, Pasani Pani Pa, then Mala. That's also like in the second Sangati. Pani Pani Mala, then Te was the usage. That's not a usage. That's not a usage. Shadja plain in first Sangati as well as in the second Sangati. But here, in the third Sangati, it goes like Te Sa Maga Saga Sa. Remember, don't sing like Te Sa Maga Riga Sa. If yes, then you are singing some other raga like He Malate, like that. That's some other raga. I don't know. Pasani Pani Pa, that's He Mala, then Te Samaga Saga Sa, Samaga Saga Sa Te. Okay, let me sing the third Sangati in one stretch. Himagiri Thanaye Himalate Amba. Yeah, Amba comes from the extension. That's a second extension. Okay, kindly note that's a second extension. Or either you can say extension is having two Sangatis. I taught you the first in this second Sangati, which connects with the second Sangati. Here we are having its advanced level Sangati, the extension, the second Sangati. Amba, that's just the same. Pasa Nisa Amba, then Nisa Gama Nisa Nisani, that's a gamak of Nishada. Nisani, Nisa Ga. Gandhara is also having a gamaka samaga or the Anisuras. Nisa Gama Mapama. Oh, Madhyama, then Mapama. Mapama. Ni. Let me sing the Anusura. Nisa Nisa Samagama Mapama. Swaram. Nisa Gama Mapama. Sahityam. Shwari, really careful when you sing Shwari Magasa, because I know people who sing like Shwari Garisa Gandhara Rishabha Shadja Garisa, utter nonsense. Shwari Magasa, you should be knowing what is Magasa and what is Garisa. Okay, otherwise you won't understand whether you are making a mistake or not. Make it slow and you will understand. That's it. From here, Shwari Nisagama Mapama. From here, Magasa. That's the thing. Then Shri. Oh, Shri, Sani Sa, Shri. Oh, this Tadang, Maga, Sani Sa, Maga. Then Gani Sa, Kasa. Oh, okay. Sani Sa, Maga, Gani Sa, Kasa. These are the Anisuras. Shri. Oh, there's a small change there. Sani Sa, Maga, Gani, Kasa. Gani Sa is not there. Gani, Kasa. Sani Sa, Maga, Shri, Gani, Kasa, sani sa maga gani kasa Shri lali sani pa lali te. That's just the repetition of the previous Sangati of the extension. Ma ma ni pa ma ma ga ga ma ma sa te te ma. Here ma ma va. There are two types of ma ma va. The first ma ma va is ma ma va. That's when you're repeating the third Sangati, you should sing like ma ma va hi ma, because there's no much gap. Ma ma va hi ma. So it's like that. But when you are connecting the first Sangati to conclude the Pallavi, let me explain the order as well. Song starts like this. Himagiri Thanaye Hemal, the first Sangati twice. Then Himagiri Thanaye Hemal, the second Sangati once with the extension, the first extension. Then repeat the second Sangati of the Pallavi, again with the extension, first extension. When you finish the first extension, you can move to the third Sangati, Himagiri Thanaye, with the second extension, then again to the third Sangati of Himagiri Thanaye, then the second extension, and to conclude the Pallavi, you should go back to the first Sangati of Himagiri Thanaye. There, the first Sangati always starts like Hima, Taka, Hima, 1, 2, Himagiri, Taka, Himagiri, after 2 beats, 1, 2, Himagiri, like that. Either you can call that Taka or 1, 2 or anything. So here, to join with the first Sangati to conclude the Pallavi, ma ma va, you can either give double slide for Nishada, ga ma pa sani sani ma ma va, or ma ma va. I use that usage. Ma ma va, which means ga ma pa. Oh, Panjami sang throw to Shadja, throw. Ga ma, Gantara is samaga, okay, samaga, ga ma pa sa, pa sa. Throw this Panjama to Shadja. Ga ma pa sa, ma 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 va va nisani pasa nisani pasa nisani pa is having throw nisani. That's actually advanced hammer. Nisani ga ma pa ni, like that. Ma ma va. That's the thing. So the extension, second Sangati, let me sing in one stretch. Starting from Amba. Amba Ishwari Shri Lalite Mama Va. Then you can conclude with the first Sangati. Anyway, that's the end of this tutorial. Sorry, not the lesson, this tutorial. I'll be teaching you the Anupallavi as well as the Charama in my next tutorials. Okay, so like always, if you have got any suggestions or opinions regarding my singing or something based on raga or the lyrics, okay, you can post them as comments. I'll be replying to that as soon as possible. Okay, see you in my next tutorial. Bye.